It's 2 in the morning. Just woke up at Sheridan College on this couch, and we're going to Barbados.
What we do here is go back.
Good morning from great old sunny Barbados. Here I am again. 2 years ago I came here. It was literally the best time of my life, and here we are again. Look at this place. And beautiful. This place is like, it doesn't get much better than this. And here we are staying in the most luxurious of places, courtesy of Matthew Hamilton. Say hi to the vlog.
Hey vlog.
You want to hop in the pool?
I'm down.
Just because we can?
Yes, we can.
This is so hot. How do you live here, bro? Holy crap. How is it?
Regular pool temperature.
Yeah? Alright, I'm coming in. Alright, so Alex is supposed to be our driver. Hopefully he agrees, as long as we can give him gas money, which we do have. He'll take us out across the island to a real nice spot. Praying.
Listen, right?
Yeah.
A man like Gervais Hazzard, right, comes out on
if I
top by
tell-
finding
if I
some
told her, yeah, but I'm on
route,
the
right,
East Coast.
to some
She'd be like, what?
completely
She'd be
different
like,
place
I thought
compared
you
to Cherry Tree Hill, but the view's even better, Nick. What do you think yourself?
I think it's crazy.
No, like, honestly, this is just like picture perfect scenic. Like,
Pretty
it
much.
is so beautiful.
You look at him.
What?
Holy, look at this road, bro. What the hell?
This
This is so nice.
Dog, what is this?
Holy
place,
shit.
bro?
Yo, okay, I might have to get someone out of the car. Okay, honestly,
You want to get out?
I think we should get out.
Yep. I am borrowing Nick's camera at the moment, and it's like every time this kid comes back to BIM, like I just find a new place.
Holy,
Oh, but then you
bro,
got to go.
what the heck? This is crazy.
Dude, what is this place,
This
bruh?
is so sick.
Oh my god. Oh, goodbye, Jerv.
Bye.
Now we're stranded here with all the bushmen, right? We've randomly stumbled upon probably the nicest spot I've ever seen on this island, and oh my god, I can't even believe this. This is incredible. You know what this calls for? This is a cinematic sequence. Come right up.
Eyes flicker, heartbeats quicker inside. Let's start making up for lost time. Backs to the wind, we can do this all night. Singing, hey, let's get away, we'll make it alright. It's been a while, been a really long time. I like it better now, I wish you stayed a while.
Bro, what would you do if there was like a fight club at the apartment, dog? Like just you, me, Ronan, my dad, like everybody just went full hog. at it,
Your
bro.
dad?
Like,
O'Neal.
dog, imagine it. Like just see someone go bam, and then Matthew go poo, then Nick go bam, and just.
What? And this is why, guys. This is why Matthew Hamilton went to the Gow School.
Bro, no. This is why Nick Scalera went to the Gal School, because you see the rabid creature.
We just got back from probably one of the most amazing views I've ever seen. That was absolutely incredible. Matt even lives here, and ask Matt what he thought about that.
Honestly, I had no idea that Barbados had a place close to how much beauty there was there. It was incredible.
Oh, this guy.
It will
Thank
take
you,
us
yo.
25 minutes, his driving. And we have 15 minutes.
Wait, until 5?
15 minutes
Oh.
until 4:30.
Guy, you got this, fam.
Yeah, vlogging,
got-
you know, about my life and how I'm gonna die in like the next 15
I
minutes.
swear I told your mom 5 o'clock.
Yeah, 5 o'clock. You'll be fine. You'll be fine. I'd like to explain to my viewers what island time is. There's something called island time, and
Okay.
pretty much this man. No, not really.
Nah,
This
not
man over here, this driver, likes to say he's gonna be here, and then usually at about 3 or 4 hours the time he said, and then he'll be there. It's like it's real rough, but he always shows up in the end. He always shows up. He's reliable in that sort of sense.
Go back.
All right, man. Holy shit!
Are you crazy?
I think
that crazy? Oh, sorry. I just broke it. I just bought mine.
Holy fuck! Yeah, sunset's crazy. Now, the thing is, guys, we don't make it to this gas station, we fucked. Bro, the thing's like past the E, it's like past the empty sign, and we still going. How far are we from the gas station?
So close.
Dude, if we don't make this, I'm gonna cry. Holy we're so close. Yo, we actually did it though. Oh my god. We made it. The meter was like past the E. Like far past.
It was running on fumes.
Yeah.
Literally.
So lucky. We shouldn't have gotten that lucky.
Hey, that's what we prayed.
Deep in the bush, bro. No.
That's what we prayed.
Alright guys, what an absolutely sick day. That was just too much fun recording that little short for you guys, and then seeing parts of the island I've never seen before. So, If you like this vlog and you want to see more, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. See you in the next one.